Keshi Cordless Rotary Tool. 3 powerful speed selections with scattered vent holes. 5,000 RPM up to 15,000 RPM speed that makes your artwork DIY creation a quite easy thing. While the vent holes on the body effectively dissipate the heat released when the power rotary tool is running, extending battery life for long-term and safe use. With the groove power button design, you no longer have to worry about the rotary tool being stopped due to accidental touch on the switch. All the engraving, polishing work is done non-stop, ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 rotation speed. 3 rotation speed controlled by one button. 5,000, 10,000, and 15,000 RPM shows clearly with 3 red lights on the tool body. It can meet different tasks against your needs. Number 2. Rechargeable 3.7 volts lithium battery. Rechargeable via supplied compatible USB connector at any place. More convenient for your charging. Full charging time is about 2 hours and can be used for about 90 minutes. Number 3. 3 collet sizes. This power tool comes with 3 collet size zones: 16th, 3/32nd, and 8th to fit different suitable accessories, and it is easily changed. Number 4. Ergonomics Design. The ergonomics design of the tool body lets you operate it freely and will not feel tired. Number 5. 42 premium swappable heads. Comes with 42 attachments and accessories in total that makes it a great deal while shifting from one bit to another is so easy. Collets 3. Mandrel 1, drill head 1, polishing drum 1, sanding bands 24. Grinding stones 6, Dimond tip bits 5. Attachment storage case 1. Number 6. Precise control for multiple purposes. Whenever you are thinking of engraving, sharpening, grinding, polishing, or sanding, you will find this power rotary set a must-have for your handy and light artwork creation with optimum precision and control. It is suitable for wood, plastic, tile, glass, stone, metals, etc. Number 7. 2 hours quick USB charge plus overcharge protection. You tired of repeatedly charging? Time to try this power rotary set. It can work 90 minutes after 2 hours full charge, and built-in overcharge protection. Your battery is still well protected even you forget to take it off from your wall outlets or computer when it is fully charged, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.